Hello Stampers, welcome to 3D Thursday. Today I want to show you how to make these super cute little baskets that would be perfect for Easter coming up as little place settings at the tables, just little gifties for friends, co-workers, things like that. But they're super easy to make and super cute. And this blue one here is actually one that one of the make and take projects that my team made at our meeting last weekend. And I thought it was super cute, so I decided that I needed to make an Easter one. So I came up with this one here, and this is the one that I'm going to show you how to make today. So it's super easy. So are you ready to get started? Then let's do it. So you are going to start off with a piece of designer series paper that measures 6 inches by 6 inches. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your Simply score, and you are going to score it at 2 inches and 4 inches. You're going to turn it 90 degrees and you're going to score it again at 2 inches and 4 inches. And that's it. Could not be simpler than that. Whoops, knocking off my markers. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you're simply going to cut on your score lines on opposite sides. So this one, we're cutting up to the score line, and this one, up to the score line. Then we're going to turn it over, and from the opposite side, again, we're going to cut up to the score line, and up to the score line, just like that, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to fold your designer series paper on all of your score lines. Okay, so you'll just turn it around to all 4 sides and do it just like that. Now, since it is a box kind of thing, I am going to use tear and tape on mine. So what I want to do is I'm just going to cut off 2 pieces here. And I'm going to put them, make sure I get my box right here, on the 2 outside pieces on the side that I've cut along my score lines. Take 2 more pieces of tape and put them along those pieces, just like that. So just on opposite sides like that, okay? Start with one side here. I'm going to take off my backing. Going to put the centerpiece into the middle of my basket. Then I'm going to take these 2 outside corners and I'm simply going to meet the tips up here at the top, okay? So put those together like that, then take your middle piece and just open it up just like that, okay? So let me show you on the other side again how we did it. Take the backing off your tape. The middle piece goes in, okay? Take my 2 end pieces, going to bring them together, and I'm just going to meet them at the top, okay? Take your middle piece, push it back against that adhesive, and there you have your basket. Super simple to do. Then for my handle, you can use either a cardstock handle or I love our, oh, now I've forgotten the name of it, our white, oops, let me grab one here. Our flax ribbon, that's what it is. And it was on back order for a while. Now it's back. I believe it's on low inventory still, but you can order it now. So I'm just going to take it because it's fairly sturdy. I put tear and tape just on the inside of both of my sides. Take our backing off. Going to take a length of your ribbon and I'm just going to adhere it on the inside of my basket, just like that, so that I have my cute little basket. Okay. Now I want to decorate my basket. So I'm going to pull out my Fable Friends stamp set again. This is the same one that I used yesterday when I was making my, nope, not yesterday. This would have been what I used on Tuesday for my Technique card. okay, that I use. So I'm just using this set again. I love this set. It is super, super cute. So I'm going to use the bunny out of here. And I'm just going to stamp him on a piece of Whisper White cardstock. Okay, I'm going to stamp him in black. I've stamped him before in browns. I've stamped him in gray. It really doesn't matter what color you do. It just kind of go by what colors you plan on coloring him. So now I'm going to pull out some of my blends markers. You know how I love my blends markers. I am using the light and dark of the Smoky Slate to actually color my bunny. Okay, so this is the darker of the two. And I'm just going to go through and color him. I'm not really going to do any shading on him today, just because I just want to color him. So color him all up like that. Then I want to use the lighter of the grays for his belly. Love the blends that I can color the big spots like that and there's no lines on my markers. I am going to color, let's see, he's going to be on a yellow basket. So let's use our Daffodil Delight to color in our little jacket we have for him, so that he's going to match. And then I'm going to use the light Flirty Flamingo to color the insides of his ears. There we go. Now, since we do not have framelits for these, I'm just going to take a second and cut him out. Again, you guys know how much I love to fussy cut. If you don't want to fussy cut him, you can kind of skip stamping him on a separate sheet of paper, and in just a second I'm going to show you how I'm going to layer it, and you could probably stamp it directly on there and color it, and then you wouldn't have to cut him out. Okay, but you know, just take a second, cut him out. I've given you lots of tips before on how to do it. Just be sure you leave a little bit of a white edge around him when you're cutting him out. That way you don't have to be quite so perfect and cut on a line. You just kind of leave the white edge. It's a little more forgivable. Also, be sure that you move your paper around to turn the corners and not your scissors. Your scissors should always be facing away from you when you're cutting. But just, you know, take some time, relax. Do your fussy cutting. It'll be worth it in the end because he is so cute. All right, so there he is. So I have also used my oval framelits to cut out a white oval and then a Daffodil Delight scallop oval. And that is what I'm going to layer him on. But first, I want to stamp on here Easter Greetings. This was one of the sayings that's in the Fable Friends stamp set, the same as what the bunny's from. I'm just going to stamp that on there like that. We're going to take our bunny. We're going to put a little bit of adhesive just along the one side of him because I want to layer him kind of on here beside my words. So see, you can see in the back, he's not all the way on, so don't put adhesive all the way over. Then I want to put adhesive on the back of the oval shape, and I'm going to center it on here, just like that, okay? And then I'll put some adhesive near the bottom of that because we're going to pull our basket back. You want to center your oval and stick him on just like that. So there's the little basket. Isn't he adorable? Be so cute with some artificial grass in there and maybe some little Easter eggs, some fun things. So there we go. If you don't want to make your basket for Easter, you can certainly use the daisy punch. I'm going to put a daisy on it. It just makes it nice and springy. But if you're looking for something fun to give for Easter, these little Easter baskets with the bunnies on them would be absolutely adorable. So thanks for watching. I'm doing a special on Facebook this week. If you share my video and leave me a comment that you've shared. I'll put your name in for a drawing to receive a free set of blends combo pack, any color of your choice. So just share my video and then let me know you've shared it. And thanks for watching.